Hello everyone and welcome back to another video for the channel. This is going to be my MacBook Pro OS install. So the first step is to turn on the laptop. If the laptop does not enter recovery mode automatically, you might have to press Command R. Mine entered it automatically and it started internet recovery. So when it starts internet recovery, you're going to have to type in your Wi-Fi password, which you'll see come up in a second. So you select your network and enter the password. After that is completed, the next step is you're going to have to wait for the computer to download macOS. So once macOS is downloaded, you're going to have to format your drive. But downloading macOS will take a few minutes depending on the make and model of your laptop. This is a 2011 MacBook Pro non-Retina display laptop. So this one will take a little bit of time to download, but I did install a solid state drive in here, and that's why I am reinstalling OS. So it's a good idea to reinstall Mac OS if you're even installing Windows OS, because you want to make sure that you get the drivers from Boot Camp if you're doing that procedure. So on this text screen, you'll see that I started the install of Mac OS High Sierra. It was pretty simple to do. All I had to do was format the drive to macOS journaled when the recovery portion showed up. And then all I had to do was wait for macOS High Sierra to load. And then it started to boot me into the computer. This will take a few minutes. It might look like it's stuck, but it's not. And then once that is completed, you will be presented with a brand new MacBook Pro, or brand new software for your MacBook Pro, which should work just like the original did. And you get to go through all the steps to set up your MacBook Pro. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.